match. This is the one. I think they had this one right here. See? That's the one they had. We don't want that. I think this would match better than opening it, and it's that. Okay. Not this either. This one. I found these right here. They come in this size. I'm gonna get 3 of this size here. Where's the other size? There's another size in here. I'm gonna get 3 of those and 2 of the small ones where I can put some of my favorite seasonings in. And these are, I think the bigger ones are $6.49. The medium ones I think are $4.99, and I think the smaller ones are $3.19. So that's the way we're gonna go. I want to show y'all something. You see how they have stuff like this that people be putting in their pantry? Who have time for all of that? That means every time I go shopping, I gotta open bags. I gotta put them in those containers, clean those containers out time to time. I gotta remember the dates on those containers. That's just too much work. I just want a simple organization. Sit them inside of a basket like that, nice and neat. Pull it out what you want. Keep it in the box. That way you have the directions to tell you what to do. You have the expiration date on everything. I just think this right here is for somebody who may have a maid. And if you do, that's fine, but not for me. All right. Hey, y'all. So now that I've been to the container store and I have the different size containers that I want, these I'm just going to put, like my seasonings and stuff, these are not going to go in the pantry. This is going to go near the stove. But I just want them all to be where I can get them instead of them all just sitting up there. So if I get a chance, I'll show you how they're sitting up there. But I'm trying to figure out right now what's going to go in what. But this is the idea that I have. Like all of my macaronis. Just want to put them all in the big bin together.
I can never repay you for all you are.
So that's kind of the idea that I have. And then I'll put the label right here. And put macaronis, whatever I have, that's where I'll put the labels right here. Pasta. Yeah, that's what I'll put. Pasta. Like right now I have cornbread in here. I think I'm gonna put the cornbread with like the cakes and stuff like that. So now that I have that one, so I'll move this out of the way. And then this is all the cereal. We're not big cereal eaters, but just like our granola, different cereals we would have, I would put in here and put cereal right there. So you get a kind of idea of where I'm going with all of this. And then like for my protein, I put my proteins in here, stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue trying to mix and match. Some things I might change, I might leave the same, but you will see. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl in the world. Okay, so now that I have all of my seasonings, I'm going to put in this one the ones that I use the most. Like I like to use mostly all different kind of Mrs. Dash because I like that it doesn't have salt in it. If I want to add salt, I use my pink salt Himalaya. This is the best salt to use. So if I want to add salt, this is what I add. So I don't want salt in all of my seasonings. Now these are my everyday ones that I use. So I have it on the shelf like that. So this is the ones I use most often. Every now and then I use these, okay? And then the rest of these, oh, I gotta put this salt. I gotta find some room. I could take that out. I could take that out. No, I could put this one back. It could fit like that because I really want to have this available. And then this is empty. So then the rest, I'll just put in reserve. So like if I run out of something or something like that, or if I don't have something, I'll substitute it with something. So there it is. Okay. This is stuff that I have two of up there. This is just reserve stuff that I don't use that often, but I do use it. And these are just daily things that I use. My seasonings, all are in here. So I can just pull this out if I need, put it back. Set it right here on the counter when I need to use my seasonings, and then put it back. So I might put seasonings on here with the label, put a little label on here what that is and what that is in case somebody's in the kitchen and they need something and I'm not here. So that's done. Let's carry on. Now here is the cans that I have left. I gave some things away, and these are the things that I'm going to keep. And I got this from the Container Store, and I'm going to put in there ones that I have that matches up a lot. I have another one that I ordered from Amazon that should be here tomorrow. That's why what I'm doing in like different days. So I got a lot of layers that I'm doing to make this permanent, so I don't have to keep on straightening up the pantry. When we come from grocery shopping, we'll put stuff away. So staining the sticks that we're going to connect with the wood that we bought to go inside the pantry. So it seems like we're going to have to continue to stain it like maybe 2 times because it still seems so light. The stain did not work. This stain here did not work. It would not adhere to the wood, so end up having to go and get some paint, and this is just a sample size because that's all we need. Finish project. So now we're just going to let it dry, then I'll show you the next step.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go by 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, and ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say him is before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna move like this. Y'all didn't think that I could move like this. Said I told y'all I was gonna move like this. Turn around and I make it jump.
Now that these are drying, we did this one opposite because this one will be on the top row and we want the design to show. So that's why we did this one opposite that one. And we'll let you see, so they're drying, and we'll let you see how they come out after they dry. Here are 2 of them already put inside. So we think we're going to take a little brush and put a little paint across there. It dried real nice. So we'll let you see the finished product. Okay, so I done finished painting those. So I'm just painting the rims of this right here, just to blend in with the color. So after I paint this one, they'll all look like that. From this to this, like this. Nice. Now here is the pantry, all done and organized. Put pans down here. Here is pasta. This is my breakfast foods. Here, this is the organization that I got from Amazon for the cans. I had to put it together. So it's canned goods. Right here is where I put all my protein drinks. And this is cakes and pies, etc. inside there. And up here I put like all my big bowls and my juicer and my egg cooker. So I put all of those things there. And like I said, I just put up here, just in categories, things that has not been opened yet. So this is the design of the cabinets. And it just takes away that ugly wire racks and just made it a little more custom. So thank you guys for watching my DIY to my pantry organization. And hopefully now it will stay like this because I have a home for everything. If you're new, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe and join the channel. And for everyone who's always here with us, thank you for tuning in once again. And we'll see you guys on the next video.